we learned about this really cool company called Rexroth. It's an engineering and manufacturing company owned by Bosch.
Many people know that Bosch makes appliances, but this part of the company makes the stuff on the inside of the machines, kind of like the heart and brains of things.
And we have one of their sites right here in Bethlehem. They have 49 manufacturing locations in 21 different countries and over 33,000 employees.
We had a chance to meet with 3 of their employees to learn more about what they do.
Richard Corey explained, the Bosch Rexroth location in Bethlehem focuses mainly in industrial and compact hydraulics as well as large projects.
But what are hydraulics?
Hydraulics are mechanical systems that work with fluids to make some tasks easier. Hydraulic parts can make canal locks open and close to move ships, hold spaceships upright, and then allow them to bust off safely with powerful, superhuman strength.
They work with all sorts of industries and organizations like the United States government, Boeing aircraft, JLT lifts, and even Tesla motors.
Another cool thing about Rexroth is that it is doing this all by making the machinery more intelligent.
Rexroth uses programmable logic controllers and next-generation smart or collaborative robots.
Robots are working with people and with each other, connected over the internet.
The robot we met wears a special padding filled with hundreds of microsensors. It can sense when humans are close, stopping accidents before they happen.
It did not hit me.
According to Mr. Hasselt, robots make the environment safer for our employees and ensure precision and assembly in our products.
So, how would you describe a company that is fully immersed in the Internet of Things and is helping to lead the world into the 4th Industrial Revolution?
Yep, that's Rexroth. Rexroth, a division of Bosch, literally lifting the future of manufacturing to greater heights, right here in the Lehigh Valley. Precision, productivity, and reliability